Hi guys, it's Khushi Raj here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today the vlog is about my college. I'll show you how my college looks like. I can't assure you that I'll show you everything like inside, no, but I'll try to cover every department like department of anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. These are first year courses. Then in the second year I have just clicked the pictures and made the video from outside, and I have not went inside the dissection hall and everything, but I hope you will see or you will get information about everything like a little bit. So come with me. One thing more, I want to inform you that this is the part 1 of my vlog in which I'll show you the college department, and in part 2 I'll show you the departments of hospital, like basically. So the name of my college is Career Institute of Medical Science, and it's situated in UP Lucknow. So the first department you will see after you enter the academic block is the Department of Anatomy. This is the HOD room. Our present HOD is Dr. Shobha Bhatnagar ma'am. As we move ahead, these are the rooms where teachers sit, I mean the professors. Now here we are heading to the DH, that is dissection hall, and also the lab of histology. This is the museum where all the bones are kept and also the organs. These are different type of models which are hanging on the wall, so that the students can have a look while moving in the corridor. So as we move ahead, on the left side we will see the dissection hall. I couldn't take the clip of inside because it was locked, and I guess it's not allowed even. We can't show you the dead body, but um, you can have a look from the outside. Then as we move ahead just a little bit, then you will see this histology lab. It's also closed. Here we see the slides of different organs. So the second department on the ground floor is Department of Biochemistry. So we are moving ahead. I'll show you the lab, not from the inside, of course, but yeah, again from the outside. We are having a demonstration room for each lab. Um, so we took a left. Here the professors sit, and the room of HOD was backside only. So now I'll show you the lecture theaters, LT in short form we say. Here we used to sit and our classes goes on. As I know, there are 5 LTs in our college. 4 are in the academic block and 1 is in the hospital. So this is LT1, where first year classes goes on, and fourth year classes even. Here the professor stands. This is the podium, and these are the punching machine where we put our attendance. It is having the strength of more than 100 students. From the back door we can go outside. This is LT2, that is lecture theater second. Here most probably the classes of second year or the third year goes on. Well, it depends, but the first year classes surely goes in the LT1 only. So this is LT2, as you can see. Again, the blackboard and the podium are there. I'm moving on the ground floor only, so you notice that the Department of Anatomy, Biochemistry and the 2 LTs are there on the ground floor. Now let's go on the first floor. You will see the Central Library and Department of Physiology there. So we are moving on the stairs. So you can see that there is the central library. Again, I have not clicked the pictures of inside, and also not made the video of that, but you can just have a look. As you will move ahead, you will see the Department of Physiology. Here you will see three type of labs. One is human lab, one is hematology, and the third one is the mammalian lab. Here the professors of physiology used to sit, and the room of HOD is also there. So we are moving towards the lab. The first lab which you will see is the lab of hematology. Let's go ahead. Here also you can see the posters are hanging on the wall. This is the mammalian lab, and there is the washroom in the corner, and this one is the human lab. As we move ahead, you will see the examination hall and also the auditorium. They are connected, but still there are two doors. As you will go on the next floor, you will see Department of Pharmacology, Department of Forensic Medicine, and Department of Community Medicine. This is the outer area of our academic block. Here the parking area is there where students used to park their bicycles or scooty, whatever. This is the outer look. There, which the other building you are seeing is the hospital, which I'll show you in my next vlog. There the gym is there, the medical shops are there, and as we move to the right side there is cafeteria, that is canteen. This is one of the beautiful path of a college, and here is the ground, and that is the boys hostel.
सो गाइज़, आई होप आप लोगों को थोड़ी बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन तो मिली गई होगी कॉलेज के बारे में. मेरी पूरी कोशिश रही, बिकॉज़ इससे पहले कोई भी वीडियो अपलोडेड नहीं था यूट्यूब पे. सो आई थॉट कि जो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टेड होंगे एडमिशन लेने में, उन्हें एक ओवरव्यू चाहिए होता है ना कि कॉलेज कैसा दिखता है. सो या कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. बाकी अगर यूज़फुल रहा होगा तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो, एंड इन पार्ट 2 आई विल मेक श्योर कि आई विल कवर ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. टिल देन, लव.